Once upon a time, there was a tiny seed. It was cozy and safe deep in the ground, and it didn't want anything to change. The little seed was happy just as it was, snug in the cool, dark soil. But one day, the rain came pouring down, and the sunshine began to warm the earth. The little seed felt a strange, tickling feeling. It was time to grow, but the seed was scared. It didn't want to leave its comfy spot in the soil. Soon, a tiny sprout popped out of the seed, reaching for the sunlight. The seed was worried. What if I'm not strong enough, it thought. But the sprout kept growing. Every day, it stretched taller and taller, feeling the warmth of the sun and drinking the rainwater. Days turned into weeks, and the little seed changed a lot. It grew leaves, then branches, and even tiny buds. The seed wasn't so little anymore. It was turning into a young tree. It still remembered how scared it felt when it first started to grow, but now it was glad it did. After some time, the tree was full of bright green leaves and colorful flowers. Birds sang in its branches, and children played in its shade. The tree was proud and happy. It had become a beautiful, strong tree because it was brave enough to change and grow. Lesson: change can feel a bit scary, just like it did for the little seed. But when you take that brave first step, you can grow into something wonderful, just like the little seed grew into a big, beautiful tree.